Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of Weintek-Mas. Today I'm going to talk about something that isn't an HMI. What is this? This is our I/O. So as you know, we're primarily an HMI company, but we do have our own line of remote I/O, and that would be the IR series. So all of these have the IR prefix here. If you're going to consider using our I/O, you need to be familiar with the I guess not necessarily the naming conventions, but the pieces of our I/O. So this first part here, this is our I/O coupler. So an I/O coupler, or our I/O couplers, handle communication between your controller or your client or master device to the I/O itself. This is an IR ETN. It communicates via Modbus TCP and Ethernet IP. We also have I/O couplers for CAN-open and EtherCAT, but here in the US, Ethernet IP is pretty much king. So you can use your I/O coupler just by connecting it to an I/O, kind of like to form a little I/O sandwich here. And we have analog inputs and outputs, so analog cards. This is just a digital card here. This is the IR DM16P, so it has 8 in, 8 out. The IR AM06VI is our analog module with 4 in and 2 out. And then we have our IR AI04TR. So this is our thermocouple module that supports essentially thermocouples and RTDs. You may notice that on the IR ETN there's actually 2 Ethernet ports. So that's because these modules can be daisy-chained to form kind of an interconnected, it's to form a daisy chain of remote I/O. And over here we have something that's actually really cool. So this is a combo between the IR ETN and digital inputs and relay outputs. So it's kind of a combo, but this is called the IR ETN 40R. Supports communication via Ethernet IP and Modbus TCP. 24 digital in, 16 relay out, and 4 built-in high-speed counters. If you're looking for a counterpart that also supports high-speed output, that would be our IR ETN 40P. So there's a lot of flexibility in our I/O line. There's more to be said, but too much to cover in this one video. Thank you so much for watching this most recent video of our Weintek-Mas, and we have 2 more days of exciting content to come, so please stay tuned. If you have any questions related to our I/O, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.